Hi guys, welcome to our tech tutorials. In today's video, we'll show you how to set up automatic contact backup so you never lose your contacts, even if your phone gets lost or damaged. Once this feature is enabled, your contacts will be securely uploaded to the cloud through your Google account. To restore them, simply sign in with the same Google account on any new device. How to enable automatic contact backup? Open your phone settings and scroll down to Accounts. Select the Google account you want to use for backing up your contacts. Turn on the switch next to Contacts. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and choose Sync Now. From this point on, any new contact you save will automatically sync to your Google account and can be retrieved from any device you sign into. If you have any questions or need help with the setup, feel free to leave a comment. I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.